Welcome to the Retail Industry Power BI Showcase, created by the FTS Data and AI team. This solution takes sales history data and applies a range of techniques to identify the trends and predict future sales. We apply simple and advanced approaches to improve accuracy. This first page is a standard retail industry dashboard. It presents sales revenue by store location and product category. This can be filtered by financial year. The user might guess some trends from the line chart below. For more accurate insight, it needs more detailed analysis that can be found on the next page, which looks at trends. This trends page demonstrates the seasonal changes in sales volumes by product category. The first two graphs on the right side show the overall trend in sales volumes and the historic seasonal patterns. The final graph, titled Anomalies, shows where the sales have not followed historical patterns. Switching between the product categories allows the user to better understand how much particular products are impacted by the time of year. For example, the household category has no seasonal variation compared to the health category, which has a strong seasonal dependency due to the higher demand for health products in winter. This next page shows how some basic forecasting techniques can predict sales. The first chart simply shows the trend in growth. The second chart considers seasonal variations. You can see how the seasonal variation in health is very important in accurately predicting sales. These approaches use fairly simple maths and are built only using Power BI. While this is already an improvement because it allows for seasonal variation, it relies on one simple algorithm and is just one of many approaches available. In this advanced forecasting page, we use different machine learning approaches. This provides users with several prediction models, allowing them to select an approach that is best suited to their business. It also shows that machine learning should not be treated as a black box, which produces the right answer. Different approaches produce different results, and your expertise is required to select the right model. This solution is designed to increase the accuracy of your forecasting in a way that is easy to understand. Thank you for watching our presentation.